Let's talk about your what you're doing with Kelly.
Correct, with Pool Girl Pros.
Pool Girl Pros. That's another one. Let's talk about that. Talk about kind of how that started and your involvement and what you guys are doing for the future.
Yeah, so we started it back in 2020. It seems like a lot of things happened in 2020.
Wow.
But we started it then because a friend of ours was at a big manufacturer training, and was a hands-on training, and she got the screwdriver taken out of her hand by a male in the industry and was told that
Guys, don't take the screwdriver out of the hands
don't do it
of a girl or a woman. Don't do it.
Just don't.
Stop. Stop.
She was also told that she's a woman and she can't do this.
Stop that.
And came to us, and I immediately was like, I'd be in jail if that happened to me. It's just me. Just
Because he
saying.
would have done something with the screwdriver, that would have been illegal.
I wasn't saying what I was doing, but I was just saying I'd be in jail. But we just knew that we found something that wasn't available in the industry right now.
Sure.
It's a space for, not to say that we need to be segregated, male and female, and we can't be in the same room and any of this stuff, but there are women that are in the industry that maybe are a little bit more timid to something happening like that, or somebody telling them that, hey, like, well, here, just have this other person do it, and be pushed aside. And so we wanted to create a safe space for women in the industry that we can empower them to have the knowledge and the confidence to go out in the field and perform their job and be recognized by their peers, male and female. And so we co-founded this back, like I said, back in 2020, and we did hands-on training for the women. And we invite all women, the wives that just do the bookkeeping, to the technician that's out in the field working for another company or your own company, because those people that are in the office also need to know what they're talking about.
Sure.
They don't necessarily need to know the work, but they need to know the lingo. Yeah,
Well,
we're very proud of it.
I gotta say, I commend you on that. I think you and Kelly both are such great examples to anybody. To the pool gals. Sometimes people don't like to say pool gals, but you know,
We're pool gals.
pool girls that are out there. It's really great to see going up to the next level, taking things to the next level, and succeeding like you've succeeded. And so that's just awesome. I think it's great.
Thank
So
you. We've had our challenges, and
yes, I'm sure you have.
and, as being in the industries for as long as you have as well, you've seen that shift with the women.
Yeah.
And it's so cool to see, being that I've been now doing this for 25 years, the shift as well.
Yeah.
And I hope that it continues.
Yeah.
And, not only just are the girls in the industry getting something out of our trainings, but being at the trade show, we've gotten a lot of feedback that the men really enjoyed it.
Oh,
that
absolutely.
They really loved it.
Absolutely.